Hello friends, we are going to see how to set the password and protect our Excel file. To set a password for Excel file, go to File and choose the Info, which is displayed in your menu bar. In Info, you have to choose the Product Workbook. I am choosing a Product Workbook. It will give a list of options. In this option, you have to choose Encrypt Password. Now I am choosing that option. It will ask you to enter the password, encrypt the content of the file. They ask you to set the password. So I'm typing my password. It will ask you again to confirm the password. Re-enter the password. Enter it correctly. Both the previous and the subsequent entry should match in the password. Now the password has set. I am saving my file. My file name is test. Now I close my file. I'll go to Windows and select the file test in the folder. It asks me to enter the password. If you enter the correct password, then the file will get opened. If you want to remove the password, again repeat the procedure. Go to File, choose Info, Product Workbook, and go to Encrypt Password. Here you will remove the password and select OK. So now you will save the file. If you again open it now, it won't ask the password. So that's it. In this video, we have discussed about how to set the password and protect the Excel file and how to remove the password. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Thank you.